Happy Thursday. Thank you for being here. I am going today to use up some of those paper, we call them sheet protectors or whole reinforcements. That's what it is. Reinforcements for your like three hole paper punch or your notebook paper, right? I got mine a long time ago. I don't know how old they are, but they're so old and so dry, they're flaking off the thing, and I'm having to use glue stick to put them back down. But all you're going to need for this is something that you can color through your stencil. I'm using spun sugar, Victorian velvet, and gathered twigs because I'm using these for a special project that I've been working on. And so I'm also going to make a few for friends. See if I pick this up. This is so light. I mean, it looks pink, but it is so light. So we're just going to roll it around on the paper. If you go off, that's why I have a messy mat below, basically. And I'm just going to go in sort of a direction with this, okay? And then I'm going to lift it and show you how that looks. So we're starting to pick up some of that color, right? Get more over here. Okay, and then I'm going to come back in, close this off. Get some of this off my brush so then it doesn't pick up so much. Okay, so next up we're going to use Victorian velvet, and it's almost a mauve color if you ask me, and we're going to go back over mix that up. Some of these colors down in there, you see? I may need to go with a brighter pink, I'm thinking. But I have one, don't worry. Not to worry. I've got one right here. We've got Festive Berries. And I got my one of my favorites is Picked Raspberries and Kitsch Flamingo are two of my favorite pinks to use. Okay, so let's go here. Get some of that down there. And you'll see it starts to pick up a little bit of everywhere. Then you can add these to the tops of your tags, to your pretty much anything. You could even use them, I guess, if you wanted to decorate your work pages. But see how they're starting to turn out with all of those colors and sequences and patterns and such. And then the last color we'll put on will be the gathered twigs. We got a lot of color in there, yes. I need a little more in this corner. So you just kind of got to pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down until you know for sure you've covered everything you want to cover. Go this way. And then we'll go this way. And you can use different stencils. You don't have to use the same one I did. It doesn't really matter. let's go here a little bit. All right, now our last will be the gathered twigs. And I'll take one of these off to show you how it looks on a pink tag. So here we're just gonna lightly, not too heavy, come in with the gathered twigs. All right, we're there. Now, as many of you know, I am a design team member for, or brand ambassador, however you want to say it, for Decorate Your Life. And I had just recently done some tags for one of my, let me just find it here. I know I got it, guys. Just give me a second here. Yeah. So see, you punch a hole, right? And this kind of gets, from time to time, gets a little flimsy, a little weakened. So we're going to come in and we're going to pick one. Whoa, see what I meant by them just popping off? But aren't they gorgeous? They have some dimension to them now. I'm going to go with this one because it has quite a bit of color. And we're going to put it right there. Just like that. And I'll show you how it looks once we're finished with putting it on. And then I'm not going to put one on the back yet, only because I'm going to add paper to the back. Okay? Whoops. Stay on there. Okay, so now you got a little more dimension. That's all. It just makes the paper stand out more. Gives it a better little finished look. And I think for future ones, I am going to use the Kitsch Flamingo or the picked raspberries because they're just a little brighter. And for these ones, I am going to use the stencil because they pop off so easy. If I just started using the brush on them, they would go haywire. So I'm just going to do this. And then I'll just keep moving it around. Okay, more. More. And now you know. You know. All right. We're almost to the end of the week, guys. I tell you, it's beautiful when the week is nearing the end. And we get to do our weekend things. Okay, how does that look? Pretty good. Now see, if I do this, watch them all pop off. Watch them all pop off. Oh no, look. So far, so good. Oh, I kind of like this. So then we'll go in with another color. Maybe that festive berries or a purple. Maybe a purple or a green. A green would look nice in there too. Maybe a sage green with our stencil. I say we give it a shot. That's where it mixed with the other colors I was using. Okay, let's go in with a green. What do you say? Let's go in with a green. I have evergreen bough. Ooh, yeah, let's do the green. Okay, so let's put this on here, and we're just going to pick up what we can pick up and go with what we can get. This is kind of a peekaboo, or how did it turn out, or what's it going to look like. You just don't know until you start working on it, right? Look at that. That's pretty good. I like that. I like. Let's get a little more over here. And then we can add them to another tag and see how they're going to look. Not today, but we will. You'll see them again soon. You'll be like, oh, I remember when she was doing that. Oh yeah, guys, this is a definite. I totally like this. And like I said, you don't have to. I just grabbed a stencil. I just grabbed one for the video. It wasn't that we had to use it, but I do like it. Okay, so there you go. If you find these at a rummage sale, pick them up. Get them turned into something. And then look what you get when you're going off your paper. Look at this. I mean, even that's interesting. And after a while, you could do. After a while, you could make a tag out of this. You know. See. Look at that. See, you could turn that into a whole something different. All right, guys, thank you for spending time with me on this Thursday. You are all much appreciated in ways that you don't even imagine. All right, so I will see you on Sunday with a brand ambassador video. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.